Hey everybody, it's Scott here. This is the top floor of the newest property we just bought at the auction using a private lender's money. Thank you. You can take a look. It's got an awesome view. The rec center is right down the road. You can walk there, and they got a nice walking path around the lake. I'm just going to show you a quick run through of what we bought. We bought it at the sheriff's auction. We paid $53,000 cash for it, sight unseen, and we had about 5 minutes to decide if that's the property we wanted to buy when we rolled into the auction that morning. So it's a full bath right here. We just threw a new vanity in, so we've got a little bit of work to do yet. And then closet area, and then your own private second bathroom. So hey, that's the deal. That's the property. We are fixing it up. We're going to have it on the market, ready to rent for 1 year, and then we're going to end up selling it off hopefully next summer when the values are much higher. So it should be worth about double what we paid for it next summer. So if you or anyone you know is interested in getting into real estate, give me a call.